met this man about a week ago. He said, son, don't you know that we're all doomed? So I turned and asked, mister, what do you mean? He said, son, take a seat, 'cause here's the truth. I get high and I feel low. I'm real rich but I'm real broke, trying to find someone to hold me together. I get lost but never found, reach the stars and hit the ground. This whole life has knocked me down, down forever. So I turned and said, mister, I feel your pain. Truth is I've heard the same, I know what it's like. He looked at me, said, boy, what do you mean? So I went and took his seat, and he took mine. I've been high, and I've been low. I ain't rich, but I ain't broke. Pray I find someone to hold me together. I was lost, but I was found when my knees hit the ground, and I laid all my troubles down, down forever. Went by when I saw him again. I said, sir, how's it been? And he just smiled. I've been high, I've been low. I ain't rich, but I ain't broke. Pray I find someone to hold me together. I was lost, but I was found, and Jesus turned my life around, and I laid all my troubles down, down forever.
Let's learn highs and lows. It's choreographed by Maggie Gallagher. It is a 32 count, 2-wall, high beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about the ending and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn highs and lows. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to step your right foot forward into the right diagonal and clap your hands. You're going to step your left foot forward into the left diagonal equally right and clap your hands. We're now going to do a right coaster step with a brush, stepping your right foot back, step your left next to your right, step forward with your right foot and brush your left. You're now going to do a left lock step, stepping your left foot forward, bring your right foot in and behind your left, step your left foot forward, and we're going to do a right mambo step, rocking your right foot forward, recover back onto your left, and step back with your right. So let's try that with some counts, doing your out clap. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. On the chorus walls, so when he's singing about highs and lows, on your claps, you're going to clap up with your right and down with your left. You don't have to change your body. You're just going to have your hands come up and down. The right's going to be up over your shoulder, and the left is going to be down by your hip. Section 2, we're going to do 2 walks back, step back, left, right. You're now going to do a left coaster step with a brush, stepping your left foot back, step your right next to your left, step forward with your left foot and brush your right. We're now going to do a jazz box quarter turn, so you're going to cross your right over your left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. Step your right foot to the right side, and then you're going to step your left foot slightly forward and next to your right. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just finished our mambo. You're doing your 2 walks back. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do syncopated side touches. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side, touch your left next to your right. Step your left foot to the left side, touch your right next to your left. We're now going to step our right foot to the right side, step your left next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot. Step forward with your right and touch your left next to your right. We're now going to repeat that, but traveling backwards. So you're going to step your left foot to the left side, touch your right next to your left. Step your right foot to the right side, touch your left next to your right. Step your left foot to the left side, step your right next to your left, taking weight onto your right foot. Step back with your left and touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts, weights on your left, doing your side touches. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to point our right toe out to the right side, touch your right next to your left, point your right toe out to the right side. We're now going to weave, crossing our right behind our left, step your left foot to the left side, cross your right over your left. You're going to rock your left foot to the left side. You're going to recover a quarter turn over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 6 o'clock. Step forward with your left and scuff your right heel. You're now going to step forward with your right foot, scuff your left heel, step forward with your left and scuff your right heel. And then you're ready to start all over again with your step clap. So when you do this final scuff, try and have it slightly go out to the side because it will help you go into that step clap. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our touches. You're going to do your point, touch, point. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and ready to start all over again. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your out clap. So it's out clap, coaster, step, brush, step, lock, step, mambo, step, walk back, back, coaster, step, brush, jazz box, quarter, turn, step together. Side touch, side together, forward touch, side touch, side together, back touch, point, behind side cross, rock, recover, quarter, step, scuff, step, scuff, step, scuff. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your step clap. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. And that is the whole dance. Now your final wall is going to be a 12 o'clock facing wall. You're going to dance the full 32 counts to the back, and to end facing 12 o'clock, all you're going to do is a step half pivot to the front. So we would have just scuffed our right heel. You're just going to step forward with your right, do a half pivot over your left shoulder to end facing 12 o'clock. So now let's go around. On the front walls, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows when you go out to dance it yourself. Weight is on your left. We're going to do 1 wall with regular claps. And when I get to the back and we're doing the numbers, I'm going to do up clap, down clap, just so you can practice when it happens. Know that it doesn't always happen on the back. You have to listen to the music when it happens in the chorus. Weight is on your left, starting with your step clap. So it's out clap, coaster, step, brush, step, lock, step, mambo, step, walk back, back, coaster, step, brush, jazz box, quarter, turn, step together. Side touch, side together, forward touch, side touch, side together, back touch, point, behind side cross, side rock, quarter recover, step, scuff, step, scuff, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and out clap, coaster, step, brush, step, lock, step, mambo, step, walk back, back, coaster, step, brush, jazz box, quarter, turn together, side touch, side together, forward touch, side touch, side together, back touch, point, touch, point, behind, side, cross, side rock, quarter cover, step, scuff, step, scuff, step, scuff, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and then you would dance all the way through until your final wall, when you will do that half pivot. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to your rear demo, so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn highs and lows. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
I met this man about a week ago. He said, son, don't you know that we're all doomed? So I turned and asked, mister, what do you mean? He said, son, take a seat, 'cause here's the truth. I get high and I feel low. I'm real rich but I'm real broke, trying to find someone to hold me together. I get lost but never found, reach the stars and hit the ground. This whole life has knocked me down, down forever. So I turned and said, mister, I feel your pain. Truth is I've heard the same, I know what it's like. He looked at me, said, boy, what do you mean? So I went and took his seat, and he took mine. I've been high, I've been low. I ain't rich, but I ain't broke. Pray I find someone to hold me together. I was lost, but I was found when my knees hit the ground, and I lay all my troubles down, down forever. Went by when I saw him again. I said, sir, how's it been? And he just smiled. I've been high.